Many people feel stressed about money. It's a common feeling that can affect anyone, regardless of their income level. The constant worry about paying bills, managing debt, and saving for the future can be overwhelming. Financial stress can take a toll on your mental and physical health, leading to anxiety, depression, and even physical ailments like headaches and high blood pressure. But it doesn't have to be this way. There are steps you can take to alleviate this stress and gain control over your financial situation. You may feel like you don't have enough. This feeling of scarcity can lead to a cycle of worry and fear. When you constantly feel like you're running out of money, it can be hard to focus on anything else. You might find yourself avoiding social situations, skipping meals, or neglecting important aspects of your life because you're so focused on your financial struggles. But remember, feeling like you don't have enough is often more about perception than reality. With the right tools and mindset, you can change this perception and start to feel more in control. Or, you might worry about making ends meet. This kind of stress can be overwhelming, affecting your ability to enjoy life and pursue your goals. It's important to recognize that worrying about money won't solve your problems. Instead, taking proactive steps to manage your finances can help you feel more secure and less stressed. Start by creating a budget that outlines your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back or save. You have the power to change your financial situation and reduce your stress. By taking control of your finances, you can create a sense of stability and security in your life. This doesn't mean you have to become a financial expert overnight. Small, consistent steps can make a big difference over time. Start by setting realistic financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. This will give you a sense of direction and purpose, helping you stay motivated and focused. You can take control of your finances. It starts with understanding your current financial situation. Take some time to review your income, expenses, debts, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand and help you identify areas for improvement. Next, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. This will help you manage your money more effectively and ensure that you're living within your means. Remember, a budget is not a restriction. It's a tool to help you achieve your financial goals. By doing this, you take control of both your finances and your life. Financial stability can give you the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and enjoy life without constant worry. It can also help you build a secure future for yourself and your family. By taking control of your finances, you're not just improving your financial situation, you're also improving your overall quality of life. You'll feel more confident, empowered, and in control of your destiny. This means making smart choices. It's important to be mindful of your spending and make decisions that align with your financial goals. This might mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses, finding ways to increase your income, or investing in your future. Remember, every financial decision you make has an impact on your overall financial health. By making smart choices, you can build a strong financial foundation and set yourself up for long-term success. It means planning for the future. Financial planning is not just about managing your money today, it's also about preparing for tomorrow. This includes saving for emergencies, investing for retirement, and setting aside money for future goals like buying a home or starting a business. By planning for the future, you can ensure that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. This will give you peace of mind and help you feel more secure in your financial situation. And it means being in charge of your money. Taking control of your finances is about more than just managing your money. It's about taking responsibility for your financial future. This means being proactive, staying informed, and making decisions that align with your goals. It's about being disciplined and staying committed to your financial plan, even when it's challenging. By taking charge of your money, you can create a life of financial freedom and security. You can achieve financial freedom. It's not an overnight process, but with dedication and perseverance, you can reach your financial goals. Financial freedom means different things to different people. For some, it might mean being debt-free. For others, it might mean having enough savings to retire comfortably. Whatever your definition of financial freedom, know that it's within your reach. By taking control of your finances, you can create the life you want and achieve your dreams. This essay will give you 10 simple tips. These tips are designed to help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. They are practical, actionable, and easy to implement. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to improve your current situation, These tips can help you make progress and stay on track. Remember, the key to financial success is consistency and perseverance. By following these tips, you can build a strong financial foundation and create a brighter future. These tips will help you master your money. They will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed financial decisions and take control of your financial future. From budgeting and saving to investing and planning for retirement, these tips cover all aspects of personal finance. By implementing these tips, you can improve your financial situation, reduce your stress, and achieve your financial goals. Are you ready to start your journey to financial wellness? Let's go! Taking control of your finances is a journey, not a destination. It requires commitment, discipline, and a willingness to learn and grow. But the rewards are worth it. By taking control of your finances, you can create a life of financial freedom, security, and peace of mind. So take the first step today and start your journey to financial wellness. You have the power to change your financial future and create the life you want. The first step to mastering your money is knowing where it goes. This is called budgeting. A budget tracks your income and expenses. Start by writing down how much money you earn each month. Then, track your spending. Write down everything you spend money on. Include rent, food, transportation, and entertainment. Once you know where your money is going, you can make changes. You can find ways to save more. You can also make sure you are not spending more than you earn. Life is full of surprises. Some surprises can be expensive. Your car might break down. You could lose your job. These events can be stressful, but you can be prepared. You can create an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money you save for unexpected events. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start small. Save a little each month. Having an emergency fund will give you peace of mind. You will be financially prepared for unexpected events. Debt can feel overwhelming. It can weigh you down, making you feel like there's no way out. The constant worry about how to make ends meet, the stress of unpaid bills piling up, and the fear of what might happen if you can't pay them can be paralyzing. But remember, you're not alone. Many people have faced similar challenges and have found ways to overcome them. You can too. You can take control of it. It starts with a decision to change your situation. By taking small, manageable steps, you can begin to see progress. It's about creating a plan and sticking to it, even when it feels difficult. The journey to financial freedom is not easy, but it's definitely worth it. The first step is to understand your debt. This means knowing exactly how much you owe and to whom. It might be uncomfortable to face these numbers, but it's a crucial step. Without a clear picture of your debt, it's impossible to create an effective plan to tackle it. Make a list of all your debts. Include credit cards, loans, and any money you owe to others. Write down the total amount owed, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment for each debt. This will give you a clear picture of your financial obligations and help you prioritize which debts to tackle first, and any money you owe to others. This comprehensive list will be your roadmap. It will guide you in making informed decisions about how to allocate your resources and which debts to focus on first. Next, create a plan to pay off your debt. This plan should be realistic and tailored to your specific situation. It might involve cutting back on non-essential expenses, finding ways to increase your income, or both. The key is to create a plan that you can stick to over the long term. There are different methods to do this. Some people find it helpful to work with a financial advisor, while others prefer to do their own research and create a plan on their own. Whichever approach you choose, the important thing is to take action and start working towards your goal. One common method is the snowball method. This involves focusing on paying off your smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on your other debts. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest, and so on. This method can be very motivating because it allows you to see progress quickly. You focus on paying off the smallest debt first. This gives you a sense of accomplishment and can help build momentum. Each time you pay off a debt, you free up more money to put towards your remaining debts, accelerating your progress. This gives you a sense of accomplishment. Celebrating these small victories can keep you motivated and focused on your ultimate goal of becoming debt-free. It motivates you to continue. Seeing your progress in black and white can be incredibly empowering. It reminds you that your efforts are paying off and that you are moving closer to financial freedom with each payment you make. Another method is the avalanche method. This involves focusing on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. By doing this, you can save money on interest over time and pay off your debt faster. With this method, you focus on the debt with the highest interest rate. This can be a more cost-effective approach in the long run, as it minimizes the amount of interest you pay overall. No matter which method you choose, be consistent with your payments. Consistency is key. Set up automatic payments if possible and make paying off your debt a priority. Over time, you'll see your balances decrease and your financial situation improve. Retirement may seem far away, but it's never too early to start saving. The earlier you start, the better. There are many ways to save for retirement. One option is to contribute to a retirement account. If your employer offers a retirement plan, sign up. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it will add up over time. The power of compound interest will work in your favor. Your money will grow faster. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Investing wisely and grow your money. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and build wealth over time. By making informed decisions and choosing the right investment strategies, you can watch your money grow and work for you. Once you have a solid emergency fund and are saving for retirement, you can consider investing. It's essential to have a financial safety net before you start putting your money into investments. This ensures that you are prepared for any unexpected expenses and can invest with confidence. Investing is a way to grow your money over time. By putting your money into various investment vehicles, you can take advantage of compound interest and market growth. This means that your initial investment can generate returns, which can then be reinvested to generate even more returns. There are many different ways to invest. Each investment option comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so it's important to understand what you're getting into. Diversifying your investments can help spread risk and increase the potential for returns. You can invest in stocks, which represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns, but also come with higher risk. Bonds, which are essentially loans you give to companies or governments, tend to be less risky than stocks and provide regular interest payments. You can also invest in real estate or other assets. Real estate can provide rental income and potential appreciation in value over time. Other assets, like commodities or collectibles, can also be part of a diversified investment portfolio. It's important to do your research before investing. Understanding the market, the specific investment, and your own financial goals can help you make informed decisions. You should understand the risks involved. Every investment carries some level of risk, and it's crucial to be aware of these risks before committing your money. This can help you avoid potential pitfalls and make more strategic investment choices. You should speak with a financial advisor. A professional can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your specific financial situation and goals. They can help you create a personalized investment plan. This plan can outline the best investment strategies for you, taking into account your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives. With a well-thought-out plan, you can navigate the investment landscape with greater confidence and success. Review and adjust. Your financial journey is ongoing. Your financial situation will change over time. You might get a raise. You might have unexpected expenses. It's important to review your budget regularly. Make adjustments as needed. At least once a year, sit down and assess your finances. Are you still on track to reach your goals? Do you need to make any changes to your savings or spending habits? Seek help when you need it. You're not alone. Managing your finances can be challenging. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There are many resources available to help you. You can speak with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance. There are also many online resources that can provide helpful information. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Many people struggle with financial management. Reach out and seek the support you need to succeed. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge your achievements. Managing your finances is about making smart choices. It's also about celebrating your successes. When you reach a financial goal, take the time to acknowledge your achievement. Did you pay off a credit card? Did you reach your savings goal? Celebrate your accomplishment. This will help you stay motivated. Remember, financial freedom is a journey. It's not a destination. Enjoy the ride. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's master our money together.